We have John Paul Oyayar. Tama ba? For category 2, we have Razel Tayag. For category 3, we have Aaron Ray Solong. For category 4, we have Jomel Delos. For category 5, we have John Legaspi. For category 6, we have none. For elementary girls, category 1, we have Reina Dimla. For category 2, we have Mary Stella Soto. For category 3, we have Blessy Silang. For category 4, we have Maria Katrina Castelo.
Thank you.
For category 5, we have